In the vast skies above the United States and beyond, the thunder of engines signals the might of American air power. This is not a fighter jet or a stealth bomber. It's a giant designed not for attack, but for something just as critical: strategic airlift. Today, we go behind the scenes as one of the largest and most powerful aircraft in the world. The C-17 Globemaster III takes center stage in a series of high-stakes flight drills. Meet the C-17 Globemaster III, the cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic and tactical airlift operations. Stretching nearly 175 feet long, with a wingspan of 170 feet, and capable of carrying over 170,000 pounds of cargo, the C-17 is a marvel of military engineering. The Globemaster isn't just a cargo plane, it's a mission enabler. We carry troops, tanks, supplies, medevac patients, you name it, and we do it fast. With its 4 Pratt & Whitney F117PW 100 turbofan engines and state-of-the-art avionics, the C-17 can take off and land on short, unprepared airstrips, making it indispensable in both combat zones and humanitarian crises. Before the mission, a critical phase unfolds: the briefing. Every variable is analyzed, from weather conditions to enemy threats to the weight and balance of the cargo. One shift in cargo during flight could throw the aircraft off balance. That's why we calculate every detail: center of gravity, pallet restraint, even troop placement. This particular drill simulates a forward tactical resupply in a hostile environment, requiring the crew to execute a combat offload, low-level terrain following flight, and an aerial refueling, all in a single sortie. As the engines roar and the aircraft lifts into the skies, the crew immediately shifts into combat mode. The Globemaster descends to low-altitude flight, hugging valleys and ridges to avoid radar detection, known as terrain masking. We fly as low as 300 feet above ground level in some parts. At those speeds and that altitude, everything happens fast. You have to trust your instruments and your instincts. In hostile environments, every maneuver counts. The crew runs simulated evasive action, countermeasures deployment, and systems failure scenarios, all while maintaining strict time-on-target accuracy. Midway through the flight, the drill escalates. A rendezvous is scheduled with a KC-135 Stratotanker for aerial refueling. It's a maneuver that requires extraordinary precision. The C-17 is a big target, but when it's bouncing in turbulence and you're connecting a boom at 500 knots, it's still a delicate dance. A successful refuel extends the aircraft's range indefinitely, allowing global operations without the need to land. In wartime, this ability can mean the difference between mission success and failure. As the aircraft descends to the simulated forward operating base, the team prepares for a combat offload method B, a high-speed cargo drop without stopping the aircraft. We release the locks, align the pallets, and the momentum does the rest. It's risky, but it gets critical gear where it's needed fast.